If you're frustrated by the information that autofills on your iPhone, your name, your email address, your credit card, you can change all of that autofill information to exactly what you want, or even turn it off if you choose to do so. I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps at the bottom. From here, scroll down and tap on Safari on this list. After you've done that, scroll down and tap on Autofill. You can see it says at the top, use my contact information to autofill my name, address, etc. and also my autofill credit cards. You can see for contact info, I can tap on my info and it shows the option to choose a contact card. In most cases, it will be your contact card. In my case, Trevor Nace. To edit that information, open up the phone app on your iPhone, tap on Contacts at the bottom center, and then tap on your name at the top where it says My Card. From here, just tap on Edit at the top right, and you can edit your phone number. You can also edit your email address and your home address as well. All of that information will be used for your autofill. Now you can also edit the autofill for your credit card as well. So let's hop out of here and go back into the settings. And you can see credit card autofill is turned on. I can tap on saved credit cards. And you can see with my Face ID, I'll be able to see all of my saved credit cards along with the autofill information for any of your credit or debit cards, as well as Apple Cash. You can always go in there and edit it or add a new card if you choose to do so. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me. I really appreciate it and hope to catch you on the next one.